Let's do a quick unboxing of Xiaomi 15 Ultra. I'm gonna show you what we can find inside the box and how does the device look like. So let's get right into it. The box is quite huge, so let's see what we can get inside. Let's place it down over here. And then first we have the paper box. Let's take it out. And then below we have the phone. So let's try to take it out. Let's see if I can actually do this like this. Okay. And that should be it. So all the accessories can be found over here inside and nothing over there. So here's the phone. We're gonna move to the phone just in a bit, just in a second. First, let's open the paper box and let's see what we can find inside. So at the back, we can easily open it like this. Over here we have the SIM eject tool for the SIM tray. And then here is the inside. So we have the USB-C into USB, well actually USB-A into USB-C cable for charging. So they still don't use USB-C on both ends, which is I guess convenient for some people if they often connect the phone to a computer, let's say. Then we also have the quick start guide and a warranty card here, as well as the safety information here. Alright, and we also have a case. It looks like this. I'm not sure what material was used in order to make it. Okay, so I think I found the answer. This seems to be polycarbonate. So it's like a durable, lightweight and transparent plastic. So pretty cool. Pretty cool that it is not just a typical plastic or silicone case. And now let's unwrap the phone itself. Alright, and there we go. This is how the phone looks like. What I noticed is that the screen is not entirely flat over here on this side. It is a little bit curved. Let's see at the back. So this is how the back presents like. So this here seems to be an echo letter, from what I noticed. And the frame is made out of aluminum, so pretty cool. On the right side, of course, we have volume buttons and the power button. The top seems to be empty. There is nothing here, at least nothing visible. Same as the left side. And then the bottom. On the bottom we have the USB-C port, the charging port. Let's try to get the focus. Alright. We have the USB-C charging port. We have the SIM tray, which probably depends on the region if we have the SIM tray or not. This seems to be microphone, and of course we have speakers. And that should be about it. Of course, cameras are huge. They take pretty much quarter, if not more, of the back. It looks pretty cool. And that should be about it. Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you are looking for tutorials for this phone, then be sure to check out my channel. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!